Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about how WP scheduled tweets works. So let's get started. So this is my website and I have already added a WP scheduled tweet plugin and I have already configured. So let's go to settings. And I made this configuration. So how to do this configuration, I have already created a separate video for that, so link is into the description section. So once you configure this account, you will see from which account your site is connected to. So here I already logged in with that account on the Twitter, and this is the account Bili plugins which this site is connected to. So once you do this, you will be able to schedule your page or post so that it will keep posting your post or page on the Twitter at desired time. So for that, for example, I will go to pages. So currently it works for pages and post only in the free version. So you can get the free version from here. So let's edit this page. Let's wait for the page. So once the page is open, you will have this section called WP scheduled tweet, and over here add the text which you want to have in the tweet. Set the time every day. So I set 10:30 a.m. every day. So this page will be posted on the Twitter every day at the 10:30 a.m. and time zone will be the time zone which we select in the general setting. So this will post this text plus this page link. So here I had already have some scheduled post over here. So let's check this ACF front form. So all these posts are scheduled post, and it posted automatically at the desired time. So yeah, this one is the post which we just edited. So if you can check that this content is displaying, and then it will automatically append that page link over here, and it posted every day 10:30 a.m. So currently only every day is available for the free version. In the next pro version it will be every week and every month available. So yeah, this is how it works. And yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. There is one more important info about scheduled tweet. So as this is the cron based solution, so it is necessary to keep open your site for regular cron running. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that and if you want your cron running even without opening your site, then in that case you have to set your cron to your server through the cPanel. So instruction is given over here in the configuration section. So first of all, you will need to define this disable WP cron true in your WP config file. WP config file is on the root of your project or WordPress folder, and then you can log in to your server and go to cPanel and then search for cron jobs. Once you search the cron job, add this command into the text box and then select every 5 minutes over here, and then every hour, every day, every month, and every week. So it's necessary to select every 5 minutes over for the cron job, so that it will keep regularly check the scheduled post every 5 minutes, and then you can save your setting. So this is how you can set your cron job to the cPanel. And yeah, if you have still any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.